one of the largest state laboratories in the country, processing over 1 million samples for infectious and foodborne pathogens, as well as water testing for over 6,800 water systems. It is a critical part of the infrastructure and the surrounding region. In keeping with standards of the facility, as well as an increased trend in environmental conscience, the state had contracted a local mechanical and plumbing engineering firm to assist in upgrading the system. These engineers, after reviewing the site, contacted Burt Process Equipment's engineers as experts in waste treatment. The design Burt Process engineers developed was a fully redundant batch treatment system to be located in 2 environmental enclosures, which could be installed on the outside of the building while the current treatment process was left in operation. This offered several different advantages. First, it mitigated any interruption or construction in the lab spaces themselves. Secondly, it allowed the systems to be fully installed on-site without taking the current waste treatment system offline, allowing for a very short shutdown for final tie-ins for the new system. And lastly, utilizing a batch system allowed for the redundancy to ensure proper waste treatment and allow for the operators to perform required maintenance. Bringing together both the technical expertise of pH system design with integration of turnkey modules for the environmental enclosures allowed the smooth installation and minimal downtime for facility. Burt Process engineers work with their clients every step of the way to develop solutions to fit the most challenging applications. To learn more about Burt Process Equipment's engineering, manufacturing, or distribution services, please contact us or visit our website at www.burtprocess.com.